Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your bathroom feeling a bit chaotic? Let's fix that in just 1 minute by tackling those cluttered shelves. Ready for a super quick transformation? Let's go. First things first, take everything off your shelves. Yes, everything. Now, grab a cloth and a gentle, all-purpose cleaner. Give each shelf a thorough wipe down, getting rid of any dust, residue, or water spots. Make sure you dry them completely. We don't want any moisture left behind. Now for the fun part, organizing. Group your items together. Maybe all your daily skincare goes on one shelf and your hair products on another. Arranging things by height with taller items in the back also creates a really clean, visually pleasing look. And there you have it. Beautiful, organized shelves that make your whole bathroom feel more peaceful and spacious. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple home hacks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.